If you're applying for finance roles and your CV is not getting shortlisted, then the problem is not your degree, it's your CV. Today, thousands of students apply for the same roles, but the recruiters barely spend a few seconds on your CV, and in those few seconds, they decide कि shortlist करना है या reject. So in this video, I'll tell you best CV building techniques, especially for finance students, that makes your profile look more professional and job ready. First mistake जो students करते हैं is not structuring their CV properly. A finance CV should be clean, precise, and easy to understand. Recruiter को ना CV देखते ही instantly पता चलना चाहिए कि who you are, what you can do, and how you can add value to their team. In finance, simplicity always wins. So avoid unnecessary designs, fancy templates या फिर too many colors. Next is the skills section, and यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर students mistake कर लेते हैं कि rather than using generic terms like hardworking या फिर good communication, use actual job relevant skills. For finance roles, you can add tools or concepts like Excel, financial modeling, valuation, ratio analysis, accounting, and so on. The more relevant or practical your skills look, the more they are to choose you. And if you're a fresher, तो हमें लगता है कि हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं है हमारे CV में ऐड करने के लिए as experiences, and that's when projects come in. You can use simple projects, for example, Excel dashboards, Power BI, Tableau, or simple company analysis would also work. When you add projects to your CV ना, it shows कि आपने सिर्फ theory नहीं पढ़ा है, आपके पास practical experience भी है. You have made it. एक होता है ना proof of work, वो यहाँ पे show हो जाता है. And next, अगर आपने internships करी हैं तो that's absolutely great. You can add that. But even if you haven't, you can add experiences through virtual internships, self-initiated projects, or even freelance work. What matters more is that कि आपने खुद से efforts करे, initiate किया कुछ भी चीज सीखने की and projects बनाने की. One thing that can make your finance CV stronger is that instead of writing worked on financial analysis, say something like analyze financial data and identified key insights. And whenever possible, wherever possible, try to quantify your work. जब numbers add होते हैं ना CV में, that looks more credible as well as real. It showcases that आपने इतना काम कर रखा है and एकदम से highlight होता है तो your chances of getting through that ATS is much more. Now what is ATS? ATS is basically applicant tracking system. यहाँ पे आपके CVs जो हैं वो manually नहीं होते हैं because if a company is opening a job role and उसमें thousands of students are applying, then manually it is not possible for the HR to review each and every CV. So that is why ATS comes in, and वहाँ पे ATS के through वो सब scan होता है so that half or majorly I would say जितने भी CVs हैं वो reject हो जाते हैं, and then जो few left हैं that passes that ATS criteria, then वो manually check होते हैं. So ATS को qualify करने के लिए use very simple formats, clear headings, as well as the keywords जो कि job description में mentioned होते हैं. For example, आप किसी भी job के लिए जा रहे हो, finance role की job के लिए जा रहे हो, जो company ने job description में different keywords डाल रखे हैं कि ये roles and responsibilities होंगे. We are looking for all these skills. Try to add those skills in your CV so that it passes that ATS. But make sure कि whatever skill, whatever thing that you are writing in your CV, you are well accomplished with them. मतलब आपको एक चीज पता होनी चाहिए because आपने CV में mention कर रखा है, but interview के time पे they are asking a question regarding that only, and then उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा है, you are not able to answer it, then you might get rejected. Next point is keep it relevant. Stop overloading your CV. हर चीज हमें वहाँ पे पुट इन नहीं करनी है. जिस भी जॉब रोल के लिए आप जा रहे हो उससे रेलेवेंट जो स्किल्स आपके पास हैं, उससे रेलेवेंट जो आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, ट्राई टू जस्ट ऐड दोज, ना कि सारा जितना भी आपने किया है. एंड लास्टली, मेक श्योर यू टेलर योर CV एज पर द जॉब रोल एंड जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन. डू नॉट से सेम CV आप हर एक कंपनी में या हर एक जॉब रोल में अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते हो. यू नीड टू टेलर योर CV एज पर द कीवर्ड्स मेंशन्ड इन द जॉब रोल फॉर द प्रोफाइल दैट यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन. सो स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग अ CV that shows skills, clarity, and proof of work, and then you will land your next finance role. So if you have any other doubt, just let us know in the comments below. We will try to reply to all the doubts, and all the very best for your future roles.